Hi, this is Mars, and in this video I will introduce you to Undet Browser to show you how it can improve your workflow with your point clouds using Undet plugins. So first of all, if you are planning to use Undet Browser, you need to set up correct settings while you are creating Undet project. So in the during the Undet project creation, in the settings, you should select Create Undet Browser Project option. And your point cloud files should be structured. It means that each scan station should be as a separated file. That's all. When you have such type of project loaded into Iris Commander, this is compatible with Undet Browser, you can go to the top view. So maybe I will set the transparency mode to see better. Open the Scan Data Manager, select Scan Data field, select all the scan station, and activate scan station markers. Okay, so now I will see the markers which are showing me the scanner location when you just scan this building. Okay, and to start using Undet Browser, the simplest way it is double mouse click on this scan station marker, and in a couple of seconds it will open Undet Browser. In short, about Undet Browser, it is a panoramic point cloud viewer. You can browse your scans as a panoramic images. From the outside, from the inside, you can switch the coloring mode. There is some tools to take the measurements. It's a basic features just to understand your point cloud much faster. But what is important for us when we are using Iris Commander with Undet, it is how you can improve your point cloud visibility management. Okay, so in this demonstration I am using only one screen, so I will make Undet Browser window smaller and activate feature always on top. So now when I will get back to my point cloud view, the Undet Browser will stay here. And so what you can do together with Iris Commander and Undet Browser. So if you will click the left mouse button on the scan station marker double time twice, you will open this scan station panoramic image. It's the same if you will go inside over here, double click, and you will see how this room are looking. So it is very easy to understand the situation of a point cloud looking to the image and the point cloud together. And so what we have done, we connected your point cloud inside Iris Commander with our point cloud viewer and that browser. And now I will show some really unique features. And the first feature, it is a translate view section or translate clipping box. So to do that, I will remove the transparency just to see the better point cloud. I will flip the clipping box, rotate the view. So I will use the shortcut which I showed you how it's working in the previous video, Ctrl+Shift+1, and I will make the slice of my floor. And again I will go back to the top view. So now I'm looking to a point cloud, and now I can understand what object it is. Probably this is a furniture, but I need to check. So I can use this double mouse click tool on the transition marker, and I can just take a look how my point cloud are looking, how the 60-degree image are looking to this location, and clearly is a furniture. Yeah. So and in this case, I want to see the wall, not the furniture. To do that is super simple. You just need to activate the translate with section command in the browser and click over here where you want to shift your point cloud. And now you see the clear contour of this room. If you want to see this furniture, you just clicking and you will see these tables. So it's super easy to find exactly what you need. You want to see this lamp, you just clicking and you will see how this lamp are looking. Another cool feature, for example, here you have two scans in this room and you can't understand what type of object it is. Yeah. So instead of clicking twice on these scan station markers, you can use sync command from the Undet menu. And how it's working, you can snap to this object, the object which is not clear for you, and that will show you automatically how this object is looking, yeah, from different scan stations. Yeah, it's clearly the light that we want to see this beam, so we just pressing over here and we will see the beam form. So this translate with section feature is shifting your active view section or clipping box. For example, if I will resize clipping box just to make it really small, yeah, let's see, it's 1050 centimeters, yeah. And now, for example, I can very fast find smaller objects like sockets, just clicking over here, and I will see my socket here. Yeah? And the same, even for example, if I will go to external scan stations, I want to see, for example, this curve. I just clicking over here, and my active view section will be shift over here. And again, deactivate, yeah, and I will get back to the preview points and to a browser. Yeah. So another cool features which you can use together with Undet Browser and Iris Commander, there's a common draw points. So you can click on the point cloud image and you will select here, you will see that these points are sent to directly to Iris Commander. So you can just place some reference points for you. Yeah. Another cool feature is scripting. And scripting can help you annotate your drawing or, for example, draw the line. Yeah. So, for example, to draw the line, we need to select 2D snap, let's say in 3D snap. So, and for example, there's this curve. I just launching the line command inside Iris Commander, returning to Undet Browser, activating the scripting, and just clicking over here. And if I will get back to Iris Commander, you see I have send placed the line by snapping the point cloud points inside Undet Browser. Other cool features of Undet Browser is that you can annotate your object in seconds. So very simple. Yeah, to see rooms clearly, I will activate transparency mode. Okay, and I'm going inside the scan station. I see where's floors. I selecting the basic script level. The script is active. I just clicking on my room floors, and you see the annotation will be sent. If I will click on the ceilings, the software automatically will show the ceiling level. And we have prepared 50 plus script to annotate your drawing. For example, a fell mean floor level, you can have the same result but using a different style. You can annotate door head levels. You can annotate ceiling levels. Yeah. If you just want to have a global meaning, and there's more complex scripts, like for example, there is a floor level, room height, and room name. So just clicking center of my floors, ceilings, and that will create new block showing the floor level, the room height, and the room name, which you can customize. And thus, if I will go to another room, we have the tools to annotate the windows. For example, to show the distance from the floors to window sill, to window sill, to windows head. So activating quick script, clicking on the floors, windows sill, windows head, and I have the annotation. Sill to head and floor to sill the distance, just to annotate the windows. And can very simple as well annotate, for example, door height. So we see the doors, just clicking on the floors, clicking here, and I have a door annotation just showing how big my doors are. Okay, so as you can see, it's a long list of these scripts, and best of all, if you are an advanced user, you can very easy to customize these scripts. How to customize these browser scripts? We'll have another video just to show everything you need to know how to write your own script or customize our prepared scripts. But yeah, as you can see, it's a lot of scripts just to test the features which we offering and see how it can improve your workflow with your point clouds. So in this video, I showed you the essential features of Undet browsers, how it can improve your workflow with your point clouds in Iris Commander. Bye and see you on the next video.